Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for railway exams. First, you need to thoroughly understand the exam structure and syllabus. This foundational step ensures you know exactly what to prepare for. Next, create a realistic study timetable that you can consistently follow. Consistency is key to success. Finally, gather all your essential study materials, including previous year's question papers, to aid your preparation journey effectively. To master the railway exam, begin by identifying the core subjects such as general awareness, arithmetic, and reasoning ability. It's crucial to understand the weightage of each section, allowing you to prioritize your study efforts where they matter most. Spend time reviewing at least 5 to 10 previous year question papers. This practice helps you understand common question types and the overall exam pattern, giving you a significant advantage. For effective preparation, focus on conceptual clarity rather than just memorizing facts. A deep understanding helps you tackle diverse questions. Practice time management diligently by solving questions within set time limits, perhaps aiming for 1 minute per question. This improves speed and accuracy. Additionally, create concise notes for quick revision of important formulas, shortcuts, and factual information. These notes will be invaluable during your final review. Consistent practice and revision are paramount for success. Regularly attempt mock tests to simulate the actual exam environment, helping you get comfortable with the pressure. After each test, analyze your performance thoroughly to identify your weak areas. Dedicate specific time slots for daily revision of all covered topics, ensuring that information stays fresh in your mind. This systematic approach will significantly boost your confidence and readiness for the exam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.